Ally Invest Investing Tool Full Review. Features, Strengths, Weaknesses. Links to Ally Invest and related tools are in the description below. Let's get straight to the point. Ally Invest is a commission-free trading platform that offers a wide range of investment options, including stocks, ETFs, options, and bonds. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced investor, Ally Invest provides a clean, intuitive interface that simplifies the investing process. For those looking for an automated approach, Ally's robo-advisor service, Ally Invest Managed Portfolios, offers diversified portfolios based on your goals and risk tolerance. One of Ally Invest's biggest strengths is its low-cost structure. There are no commissions on stock and ETF trades, making it an affordable choice for those who want to avoid unnecessary fees. Additionally, Ally Invest offers low-cost options trading, with fees starting at just 50 cents per contract, which is competitive in the market. For investors looking to trade bonds, Ally also provides access to fixed income investments with no markup, another advantage for cost-conscious investors. Ally Invest also stands out with its robust research tools. The platform provides access to real-time market data, customizable charting tools, and advanced technical analysis, making it a solid choice for traders who rely on data-driven decisions. Ally's mobile app also makes it easy to manage your portfolio and trade on the go, further enhancing its convenience for active investors. However, there are some weaknesses. While Ally Invest provides a good array of research tools, its educational resources are somewhat limited compared to competitors like TD Ameritrade, making it less ideal for complete beginners. Additionally, Ally Invest does not offer fractional shares, which can be a drawback for those looking to invest in expensive stocks with smaller amounts of capital. Also, its robo-advisor service comes with a management fee of 0.30%, which is on the higher end compared to other robo-advisors in the market. Overall, Ally Invest is a great platform for active traders and cost-conscious investors who want access to a wide range of investment options at a low cost. It may not be the best fit for beginners who need more hand-holding or those looking for fractional shares. However, for those seeking an easy-to-use, affordable investment tool with strong research and tools, Ally Invest is a solid choice. Check the links in the description for more details, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more investing content.